Hi, this is Andrew from ASC Tree Service and Landscaping. This is job I'm finishing up down. As you can see, there's 19 in total. They were massive. We took over 45 foot in some places and 6 up to 65. The biggest one was 65. Customer's very happy. Kept all the heavy timber. He went for the burn. These were poplars. Those too big. No hesitate rings. It's all free quotations. And we take down, we either chip it all up or we take it all away. If you want to keep the waste, it makes it cheaper. So don't hesitate to ring us. Andrew from ASC Tree Service and Landscaping. Thank you.